Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from eBay. Now you can withdraw money either to your bank account or debit card or Payoneer account. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your eBay account and you want to click on my eBay in the top right and you want to click on selling. You can also change your schedule payout, like how long you want eBay to keep your money before sending it to your bank or debit cards. Like you can just change your schedule like on eBay. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that. Now first thing you need to do guys, like I said, is you want to click on my eBay, click on selling. If it doesn't take you guys to this page, you just need to search here in a new tab, open a new tab and search for eBay seller hub. So after guys you click on search for after you search for eBay seller hub, you want to click on the first result and it's going to take you guys to this page. And after that you want to click on payments here in the top. Okay, it's going to take you guys here. Then you want to scroll down a little bit and here you will find here your total funds, like available funds and processing funds. Like available funds are like funds that like these funds are from people that already received the products. Now the processing funds, that means these products are still in transit, so they didn't reach the customer's house, if that makes sense. Okay, so here as you can see you will find your balance here, and like I said, here at the under your balance you can find your processing funds. Like I said, these products haven't reached the customers or you are a new seller, okay, one of them. Now here you can change your payout schedule. If you scroll down you will find here your preferences. Just click here next to payout schedule, you want to click on manage, and after guys you click on manage you can change your schedule, schedule payout schedule, if that makes sense. You can set it to monthly, so every month you will receive your money, but of course you can receive your money immediately. Even if you select this monthly, probably in the middle of the month you are you need money and you want to withdraw this money to your bank right now, you can just use a feature which is like a new feature on eBay, but this is not only going to work if you live in United States. Like you can just click here where it says request money, like next to your available funds you can see just something like request money, and if you click on it you will be able to request the money immediately. You can also, if you live in the United States, you can use express, you will receive, you can add you can receive your money to your debit card in just 30 minutes. You can find it here, just click on it, and of course they will charge you a fee of $2 to $3. So that's just how eBay works. Okay, so here if you click here on payout method, you can click on payout method. This is the payout method I use, which is Payoneer, because I live outside of United States currently. So as you can see, the payout method here is Payoneer. Now for you can find here bank account or whatever you have added to your eBay. Now you can change it, of course, if you want to do that. You can change your payout method, you can change it, for example, to a bank account or whatever. Now I'm going to skip this. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so it's going to take you guys to this page where you can add a new bank account if you want to receive to that bank account. If you want to receive your money to that bank, click on add cards and accounts, click on payouts, so you can use this bank account for payouts, and here you will find the options that are available for you. Now currently the only thing that is available for me is Payoneer account, because like I said, I live outside of United States. If bank account is available here, you can add it and you can just click on continue, and you can add your account number and the routing number, and then that's it. And then after that you can just change here the payout schedule to daily, and you will receive the money every single day. Okay, or if you are in a hurry, if you need the money the most, and you can use the feature which is request money. You can find it next to your available funds. That's exactly it. That's if you live in the United States, like I said. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Ask me in the comments, I reply to every single one. And yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully this one brings some value to you. Drop a like and see you guys in next one. Okay.